Meaning of fascist.
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 Fascist. Fascist refers to a political ideology that emphasizes extreme nationalism, authoritarianism, and absolute control of the state. Its key characteristics include a rejection of democracy, suppression of dissent, and a belief in the superiority of one's own race or nation. Fascist leaders often employ propaganda, violence, and militarism to maintain their power and impose their will on the population. This type of government typically leads to oppression and inequality, as well as the restriction of personal freedoms and human rights. It is widely regarded as a dangerous and destructive ideology.